Hey y'all, how you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. If you're new here, welcome. If you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for coming back. I'm always so happy to have you guys here. Today, I'm getting ready to make me some soup because I need something hearty. It's very chilly outside today, and the rest of this week is supposed to be pretty cool. I don't know exactly what it is right now. I think it was like 50 earlier, but the temperatures is dropping all the way to the 30s tonight. It was 30 something last night. Do y'all know James didn't want to turn his heat on? I'm like, sir, okay, I know you try to wait closer to the winter time, but no. Turn the heat on. So I had my space heater on last night, baby, okay? And it's probably going on tonight. Well, actually, I have to go to work tonight. But I wanted to make some soup. I got some potatoes that I need to use up, so I'm going to make a loaded baked potato soup. I'm going to say baked potato. But I want to do a loaded baked potato soup, so it's going to have sour cream and maybe cream cheese in it. I think I added it in the last time I made it. And like cheese and bacon, all that good stuff, okay? So first of all, I do have to run to the store real quick, and I want to run before it gets dark. And because it's getting darker quick here, y'all. It's getting dark super quick. So yes, it's officially fall. Don't y'all just love it? I don't. I told you I'm not a fall girl. I'm a summer girl, okay? But anyway, I'm embracing the fall. I'm getting into it. I have no other choice, okay? Because, hello, the weather is here, and it's saying it's fall. All right, so let me stop talking. Let me run to the store real quick. I'm just going to run out to the Mexican store. It's, like, not that far from my house, so, because I don't want to go on the other side of town. Hey, Avery. She just scared the crap out of me. I told y'all, this little girl, she love to be on the camera, huh? Say hi to the peeps. Hi, peeps. So Granny finna make us some soup. Yeah, so let me go to the store real quick, and then I'll be back, and I'm gonna show you how I'm going to make this soup. Okay? All right, let's go, y'all. Hey, y'all. It is cold out here. It is cold. It is currently 46 degrees and dropping. It is October. What in the world? And it's still like the mid-October. We're not even close to November. But it's cold, okay? So anyway, y'all, we're gonna go in the store real quick. I'm not gonna be in here long. I'm just coming to get like an onion and some chicken broth. Yeah, that's all I have to get. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I can't be in here long at all. So let's run in here and grab it. Yes, we are outside still. Why is this stuff so expensive? $6. The little one is $5. Might as well get the big one for $6. Goodness. My God. I hope all you fall-loving people are happy. It is dark already. I was literally at the store for 10 minutes, and it's dark and cold. It's supposed to drop down to 30 degrees. 30. Yay for us in the Midwest. Tell me where you guys live at and what's the weather where you are in October or November, whatever month you're watching this in. Maybe you're watching this in March. What's the weather like? And let me know what month you're watching. But yo, it is October and it's dark already and it's cold. Okay, let me run in this house and get to cooking. Okay, so let me show you what I got from the store. I didn't buy that much. I literally bought the things that I said I was gonna get, plus some heavy whipping cream. So I got some of their chicken broth and the heavy whipping cream, which is so expensive. Oh my god. I did buy some bell peppers that I'm not using for this, but they were only 99 cents for these 3, so I just went on and got it. Main thing I went for was an onion. And then I got some cheese. I just like the Mexican blend cheese, and all of this was $15, y'all. What was it? $14.87. Man, groceries are ridiculous these days. But anyway, let me get started. I have a few potatoes. I'm not gonna make a lot of soup. I'm just gonna make a little bit because I have a tendency to make way too much food, and it's only me and James tonight. So yeah, so I'm just gonna try to make a little bit and then go from there. So I'm gonna peel some potatoes, dice these onions up, and yeah, because these potatoes are about to go bad, so I really need to use them up real quick. So let's get started, y'all. So I added the heavy whipping cream, some cream cheese, the bacon. Now I'm adding some sour cream. I have the squeeze daisy one, so just put a lot in there. I don't even know how much it is. I also added a can of cream of chicken soup. We're gonna mix this all around. Make sure your cream cheese is room temperature and softened. And then we're gonna season this all up. I did also smash some of my potatoes too. I add some seasoned salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Season it to your liking. And now I'm going to add some cheese into it. You want to make sure those potatoes are all the way done. I just did some Mexican cheese. You can do whatever kind you want. Y'all, I wish I could smell it. It smells so good and it looks good too. Some people like their soup watery. I don't. I like mine a little thick. I don't like brothy soups. But this is a really good consistency right here. We did this for about 15 minutes or so. Yes. I am ready to dig in, y'all. Y'all, it looks so good. Just like I like it, y'all. It's piping hot. Okay, y'all, when I tell you, this soup is so good. So the last time I made it with like hash browns, like the frozen hash browns. But this time I used real potatoes because I just wanted it to, I needed to use up those potatoes. And baby, it's smoking hot. But it is so rich and it's not salty. But it's very seasoned well. Seasoned very well. It's not salty at all. But it is very filling. That's the word I was looking for. Very filling. Here comes Miss Avery. Always. Bag up. Bag up, sis. So, yeah. Super easy. Y'all, soups used to be intimidating to me. I would be so afraid to make soups. I don't know why. I thought I would mess it up or whatever. And it just looked like so much work. But the older I'm getting, it's like I want to make my own. Like, I do love to go to restaurants to get soup. Y'all already know what's my favorite. Cream of chicken and rice and split pea. I have yet to make split pea soup. Now that soup intimidates me. I don't know why. I'm going to try and make it one of these days. But I only like cream-based soups. I don't like chicken noodles. However, I do make chicken noodles sometimes. And I think I might make some again. But what's your favorite soup? Comment down below to let me know. What's your favorite soup? I used to didn't even like order potato soup because the potatoes be so hard in the soups and be so big, but they're not that big. I smashed a few, but I love the majority of them, you know, whole. This is fire. This is fire. You don't have to put everything that I put in it. You can, you know, I just wanted mine to be creamy. I wanted it to taste like a baked potato, and I put sour cream in my baked potatoes, so that's why I added it on there. But I've seen different versions of how you can make it. Y'all see all the smoke coming out? Every time I do this, the smoke just goes. That's how hot it is. Perfect for tonight. That is cold outside, baby. Y'all, and I can't believe it's still October. Like, what is November and December going to bring if it's this cold already here? 30? It's going to be 33 degrees tonight. 33. It was 30 something last night, and then I think the night after. If you don't get away from me. No, you just ate. Gosh, she's so greedy. Do y'all dogs do that? Is they greedy? Yeah. But like I said, the older I'm getting, the more I want to try different things, and I'm enjoying it a lot. I'm loving it. Like, I always, again, y'all know James, he is so picky. We just eat the same stuff over and 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 over again. And I just get tired of it. I'm like, I just want something different, you know? When the kids was little, that was fine. They're grown. They're out the house. It's mostly me at home by myself a lot. And, baby, I'm going to experiment. Again, I am not a chef. I just like to cook. I always cooked since I was 12 years old. So, yeah. And speaking of age, I just saw somebody at the store, and they asked me how old I was. I'm like, and then my coworker, she made me so happy. I don't really know her. But, yeah, she was like, how old are you? I said, how old do I look to you? She said, well, you just said you had a 23-year-old daughter, because I was talking about Luxie's birthday party. She said, I didn't think you had a kid that old. I'm like, my son is older than her. And I was like, well, how old do you think I am? She said, well, I think you're like 39, 40. I was like, what? Baby. Okay, I still got it. I said, baby, no, I'm going to be 50 next year. I'm 49. I know a lot of people don't like telling their ages, but y'all already know my story. I wasn't even supposed to live, so I am thankful and blessed every day that I'm still here. I was supposed to die instead of my mother passing away, giving birth to me, so I'm just thankful and blessed, and I'm not ashamed to tell my age. Like my sister, she forever telling me she's 25. I'm like, girl, you ain't no 25. Your kid's almost 20. But, yeah, I have never been one that was ashamed of telling their age and stuff like that, so. Well, anyway, y'all, I'm going to finish this soup, finish watching YouTube, which I'm watching right now, and then I'm going to lay down because I have to go back to work tonight, and this weekend is so busy. I am working a 24-hour shift. Yes, 24 hours. So, actually, it'll be a little bit more than 24 hours because I start at 3, and I don't get off till 5 the next evening, so it'll be 26 hours. And then I'll be going to church and then going back to work to do another double. Y'all pray my strength, okay? So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me. Again, if you guys are new here, welcome. And y'all, come talk to me. I love to talk to y'all. I love reading y'all comments. Don't be ashamed to talk to me, okay? I am super cool, okay? I ain't gonna bite you. Can't wait to meet some of y'all in person even. But y'all have a great night. I love y'all. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye.